So today we have the BASEUS captive stylus pen. It's basically for tablets and iPads. Uh, get the idea. So let's unbox it. So I'm gonna try it on my Xiaomi Pad 5. And let's see if this works on this pad. So okay, we have a pen. We have our silicone replacement tip. I see some paperwork here. Oh, look at that. Okay, there's some aesthetic stickers, which is pretty cool. And then you get your warranty card. Maybe this is about 1 year. You get 1 year service warranty, and this is the manual. Okay, so let's see the box content. Look at your what's inside. Let's check. Oh, that's the Type-C cables for charging the pen. So, oh, it's heavy. I feel metal, yeah. It's definitely metal. Got some shiny metal in it. Okay. Oh, you got your Type-C charging port. And it's magnetic, yeah. It has some pretty cool magnet over here. So this is your silicone tip. Its build quality is pretty decent. I like it. It's pretty premium. I mean, it feels so premium. So I'm gonna try it on my Xiaomi Pad 5 over here. This is my Xiaomi Pad 5 global version. So as you can see, I'm gonna try to put some notes in it. So let me turn this on. It's turned on, but it's not working at all. It's supposed to work, but it's not working. So keep one thing in mind. This pen is not for Android tablets or any Android devices. It's for iOS, Apple devices like iPad, iPad mini, iPad Air, etc. etc. So be careful. I'm making this video for those people who are wondering to buy this pen for Android devices, like you have an Android tablet, so you're gonna take notes. So do your research and then buy. So this particular version is not gonna work on any Android device. So I have tested other devices too, but it won't work. So see, it's working with my hand, but this is not working. It's turned on. So be careful. This thing is not going to work with Xiaomi Pad 5 or any other Android device. So hope this video will help you out to select your stylus pen. So peace out.